What's going on, everyone? Today we are taking a look at the eufy E25. This is the world's first HydroJet robot vacuum with a very strong 20,000 PA suction power. As someone with kids and a busy schedule, having a robot vacuum like this one definitely makes my days a lot easier. I've also tested a lot of robot vacuums, and this is hands down one of the best ones in this price range. It cleans very well, it's packed with features, and best of all, it also comes at a very good price as well. So if you happen to be shopping for a robot vacuum, stick around and I'll be going over everything that makes this one of the best ones on the market. So taking a look at the vacuum itself, this is definitely a nice and sleek looking unit. Despite being packed with a ton of features, it's also very small and compact as well. So definitely a big fan of that. Coming up to the base station, right here you have this nice LED light that changes colors depending on what's happening inside the station. So for example, if I remove the tank, you'll see right there it turns red. Right up top here, you have your dust collection bag. Right here you have your separate clean and dirty water tanks. They have a handle on top, makes it very easy to insert and remove. And then right here behind the clean water tank, you also have your floor cleaning solution, as well as this space station does have automatic dispensing for that to the robot vacuum. And besides the basics I just went over, the station also has a ton of other features, which I'll be going over later in the video. All right, so let's start off with one of the best features on this robot, and that's the HydroJet floor washing system. So typically with mopping robots, you'll have two rotating pads, and while they do a good job at cleaning, the problem is all that gunk stays on the pads and ends up getting smeared around your house. With this one, it does things a little different. First off, instead of just wiping up the mess, it actually rolls over it and pulls it up and into the vacuum. This is also a self-cleaning mop that gets cleaned a very impressive 360 times per minute. This way, all the dirt stays inside the vacuum and again, isn't being spread around your house. This also lets the vacuum clean quicker and more efficiently, as it's able to clean itself on the go, whereas other vacuums have to constantly head back and rely on the base station. To make things even better, eufy isn't just making random claims, as this robot actually has a certification for being very effective at deep cleaning floors. Another cool thing about this mop is it actually has 15 newtons or 3.3 pounds of downward pressure. So besides regular mopping, it can even scrub and remove difficult stains as well. To test this out, I put some ketchup on the floor and let it dry for about 2 hours. And as you can see, the robot still powered through this, no problem at all. Some robots struggle with mopping bigger messes, so you have to manually clean the area or do several passes. But as you can see here, both the roller and floor were completely clean with nothing left behind. If you've owned a vacuum of any kind, you'll know that a common problem is hairs getting stuck on the roller and having to manually remove them yourself. But with this robot, that is not something you have to worry about thanks to the dual spiral detangle brushes. This is a very unique system that uses two separate rollers that join when the robot is cleaning for gap-free coverage and then separate once the robot has docked. This way, instead of hairs being stuck on the roller, that center gap allows them to be channeled directly into the dustbin, resulting in a completely tangle-free system. I wasn't sure how well this was going to work at first, but I've been using this for about 2 weeks now, and as advertised, anytime I check the roller, it's been completely clean without any hairs on it. Another great feature on this robot is its very impressive 20,000 PA turbo suction. Most robots range from 6,000 to 12,000 PA on average, so this is definitely miles ahead of anything else out there. Having this higher suction power is going to let the robot pick up larger particles and also power through heavier messes as well. I ran several different tests to see how this performs, and every single time it did clean very well, and I was even more impressed by its single pass performance. Like I said earlier, a lot of these robots require multiple passes to clean up larger messes, but this one just powered through everything. I don't have a carpet, but the higher suction power is also going to let you clean carpets much more thoroughly by sucking out all the hairs and dust embedded deep into the fibers. Up next, this robot also has what's called a corner rover arm. As you can see here, this is an arm that automatically moves and extends outward, Compared to other robots, this is going to give you much better cleaning coverage along walls, corners, and other tight spaces as well. When it comes to obstacle avoidance, I remember my first robot vacuum would just crash into everything and even knock things over, but this one will not be giving you any of those problems thanks to its AIC Smart Obstacle Avoidance. This advanced technology allows the robot to identify over 200 plus different obstacles, including toys, shoes, wires, and more, and this even works in low light conditions thanks to the built-in LED light. So unlike the old days, there's no need to tidy up and clean before you start the robot. Just start it up and the robot will handle everything else all on its own. Taking a look at the all-in-one docking station, this thing has a ton of features, so you have a lot less maintenance to do. This has a auto empty dustbin, automatic mop cleaning, auto hot air drying for the mop, and it automatically dispenses cleaning solution to the robot as well. All of this works together and prevents odors and bacteria by keeping the robot clean and dry. Definitely a very good station that makes owning this robot a very hands-free and maintenance-free experience as well. Last but not least, this robot is fully customizable from the app, where you can set several different things, including no-go zones, custom cleaning schedules, and much more as well. This does have Matter compatibility, so besides the app, you can also use voice commands with Siri, Alexa, or Google Smart Home devices. Overall, this is definitely a great robot vacuum. And as I said earlier, this is also one of the best ones in this price range. It has a ton of features and does everything it's advertised to do very well. All in all, if you happen to be shopping for a robot vacuum, I would highly recommend this one here, which again is the eufy E25. And if you are interested in this robot, be sure to check out their E28 model as well. It's very similar to this one, but also has a very cool portable deep cleaner built right into the docking station. Definitely very useful to clean up spills or other messes that aren't on the floor. Last but not least, I also shared a promo code in the description that will save you $150 on your order. The code does expire on July 18th. So if you are interested in one of these robots, right now would definitely be the best time to get one. All right, well, that about wraps up this video. As usual, if you have any questions at all, feel free to drop me a comment and let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.